Hey everybody, it's Ray Azul. Today, we're on a yummy adventure to discover the best baby foods ever. Let's go. First up, the amazing avocado. Full of healthy fats, avocados make tummies happy. My mom mashes it smooth, sometimes with a squeeze of lemon juice. Have you tried avocado toast? It's one of my favorites. Next, the super yummy sweet potato. Full of vitamins, they make babies big and strong. My mom roasts and mashes them, sometimes adding a pinch of cinnamon. I love dipping things in my sweet potato mash, like cooked chicken or steamed broccoli. Now, a delicious blend, banana and blueberry. Bananas are sweet and blueberries burst with flavor. My mom mashes a banana and mixes in blueberries, sometimes freezing the mix into popsicles. Get ready for a flavor party. Apple and carrot puree. My mom steams and purees them together. Sometimes she adds a pinch of ginger. I love it in a reusable pouch. This might sound surprising, but pea and mint puree is delicious. Peas are green goodness, and mint adds a twist. My mom steams peas and blends them with fresh mint, sometimes adding cooked potato for creaminess. Get ready for a superfood combo, butternut squash and pear. Squash is a warm hug, and pears add sweetness. My mom roasts and purees them, sometimes adding cinnamon or nutmeg. I love dipping toast into this puree. This baby food is like Popeye's secret weapon, spinach and potato mash. Spinach is full of iron, and potatoes are fluffy goodness. My mom steams spinach and boils potatoes, then mashes them together, sometimes adding grated cheese. Taste the tropics with mango and yogurt. Mangoes are like sunshine, and yogurt is good for tummies. My mom purees plain yogurt with fresh mango, sometimes freezing it into popsicles. This baby food is a superfood explosion. Lentil and vegetable mix. Lentils are packed with protein and fiber. My mom cooks lentils with veggies like carrots, peas, and green beans, then mashes it all up. Sometimes she adds a pinch of turmeric for flavor. Last but not least, quinoa and banana. Quinoa is a tiny grain packed with protein, and bananas are nature's candy. My mom cooks quinoa and mashes it with a ripe banana, sometimes adding cinnamon or nutmeg. Thanks for joining me on this yummy adventure. Remember, trying new foods is fun, and listen to your tummy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun adventures. Until next time, bye.